Hello everybody and welcome to this new episode of our project Laravel Restaurant Management System. So in the last episode we have added a new menu, so now let's display the menus that belongs to every table. So we will display the menu here and we will display only today's menu, so we will not display the previous or the old menus. We will see how to display them later. So let's add let's move to the, I think here after the edits after the edit button, this one here, we will display the menus inside the table. So we will use or look through every menu using table and the relation which it says, and we bring first, or we bring every sale, and here we will add, we will check for the current dates, or for the sale created at. If the sale created at is greater or equal to carbon, and we get the current date, using the carbon class, so which is today's date. If it is today's, if the sale or the order was made today, so we display these orders. So we don't display, as I said, the old ones. So we will add a div. This div will take a margin bottom of 2, and we will give it margin top, or we can give it margin top and bottom of 2, and shadow, and width of 100, and that's all. And we give it also, we will give it an ID, because there will be a form that will make us delete. If you want to delete this sale, we will use the ID, as we have done to add a new sale. We will do the same thing to remove a sale. We will submit the form using this ID. So this is the first div. The second one is the card. Inside the card we have the card body, and here we have the deflex, justify contents into the center, and align items into the center. And inside here we will get the contents. For the contents of the menu, we will use for each again and loop through the sale menu. Inside sale, the menus of this sale that we have here, that we got. So we will loop through its menus and look for the menu where the sale ID is equal to the current sale ID. So we don't display all the sales, but we get only the sale that belongs to this menu. As you can see, to this menu we bring only the menu that belongs to this sale, not the sale that we bring only the sale or the order that belongs to this, or no, we bring only the menu that belongs to this sale, only the menus that belongs to this sale, using sale ID. Already we have here, as I said, inside the table which is, where is the table menu? The table menu sale, we have the menu ID and sale ID. So we bring, so let me check here. As you can see here, we have the menu ID and sale ID. So we bring the menus that sale ID, for example, equal to 1. So we bring these two menus. That's what means this line. And here I add as menu, and I will here display the details of the menu. First thing, we will display the title. We will have font weights, each 5, with class of fonts weight bold, and here we display the menu title. And next we have the menu. Don't know what's happened, just copy this one and paste it here, and here we give it text muted as a class, text muted, and here we display the price. So I think this is for the menu. Let's check and see before we move to the next parts. Let's check and see what we have done. So as you can see, I have here an error which tells me that's undefined variable sales, where it creates line 42. I think it create line 42 is here. So here, if not sales but if sale created, we are checking for the sale created at not sales. So sorry for this typo. Let's check again and see. So as you can see here we have sandwich and pizza italiano. This is the order that we have in this table, which is the table 4. This is the order we recently added. As you can see, it's here. So just we have this, it is not organized, but I think that's justify content. But here I forgot to add flex column, just to have the contents inside the same line. As you can see here, we have sandwich and pizza, and we can put here $sign beside this one. So let's move to the next part. So we have here, we have displayed the information for the menu, but we need to display also the servers, not the server, that's the waiter. Sometimes I forgot, because in French it is server, so sometimes I got some French words, that's why. So here we give it a badge and badge or badge danger. Here we put server name, we will get, or the waiter name, we will get it from sale. Servants, we have already the relation and name, and here we can put waiter. Also we can get quantity, so let's move down and move down. So here we have the quantity, so the page, and we give it page secondary, and here we have the quantity, and here the quantity. So what else? We have the total. So let's put the total here. For the total we will give it badge or page lights. So here we give it lights. Here we have the total and the total. Also we will add the change. Maybe we have some change, if not it will show just 0. Change, here change. Also we have the payments, we have the payment type, so we will put it here, payments, payment type, and here we will check for the payments, or we will only display the payments type. Also we have the payments status, so we'll change this one to payments status, and here we will display the payments status. I think this is all. You can add anything else if you want. You can add the address and phone if you want. You can add them, but let me check. So as you can see, we have the waiter here, the quantity, the total, the change, the payment type, cash, not cash. It's cash, and the payment status is paid. So I will add a border for this card just to distinguish it from the other ones, just to show it's like to make it look like a ticket. So we will add here a style, and this style it will take border, and border 2 pixels dashed, and we give it a pink color. So let's check and see what we have. So as you can see, we have this pink color here. So let's add let's add a new item or new menu and see. So we will choose table number 2, and we choose something else. What we have here, for example, this one. And what else? We can use only this one, and we choose the waiter, for example, this one. And quantity, for example, 2, price 135, the total will be 270, change, for example, 0, payment card, paid. So and I click on add. So the menu successfully added, and you can see here that the menu has been already displayed. And we can add more than one in the same table. You can choose, for example, this one, the table one, and choose, for example, another menu, this one, and choose waiter, this one, the quantity 2, 954, 200, I think that it's 208. You can add calculator here. You can add calculator if you want. You can use JavaScript and add a calculator here. When I click on something here, on a button or something like this, the calculator displays. You can use it to calculate the fields. So let's see the menu added successfully, and if we move here, we have 2 menus, as you can see, the sandwich, the pizza, and in the bottom we have the new one that we have added recently. So this is for displaying the menus of each table. So we will add also 2 buttons. This one's for if we want to print the tickets, and if we want to delete or to edit sales. So let's add these two links. The first one will be, we will give it a div with the margin top 2 and the flex, and justify contents, justify contents into the center, and line not into the center but between. And inside here we will have the first link for the edits one. It will be beta n sm beta n warning. In here it will take us to the routes that we have already added, which is sales, not create but edits, and it will take the sale ID. So we will see in the next episode how to update sale and how to print the tickets. And here we have the fonts awesome icon, which is the edits. For the next one will be, so for the next one it will be for the printing, to print the tickets. Here it will not take us to anywhere, and the target will be blank, just to have to print the tickets inside another page, and here it will be primary. And for the print functionality we will add it soon or in next episode, and we will give it a margin of 2, and here we will add the field or the icon prints. So let's see what we have here. So as you can see, I think that's the margin right is not working here. Can give it to this button to have just space between the two buttons. As you can see here, they are linked to each other, or so as you can see now, if I click on this button I will print these tickets. If I click on this one I will print this one. If I click here I will update this order, and if I click here I will display this order. So this is the functionality that we are going to add in the next episode. So don't forget to subscribe if this is the first time you are watching this channel. Please comment, share and like, and see you in the next episode.